Adjusting your story. How to make it truly yours. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting part of mastering English: storytelling and humor. More specifically, we're discussing how to adjust the tone and style of stories and jokes to match your own personality. This skill allows you to add personal touches and make any narrative truly your own, making your storytelling more engaging and relatable. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by tone and style. Tone refers to the attitude or emotion that the speaker brings to the conversation. Is it serious, playful, sarcastic, formal, informal? The tone sets the mood for the listener. Style, on the other hand, is about how you express yourself, your choice of words, your sentence structure, and your use of language techniques. Some people might have a straightforward style, while others might be more descriptive or use a lot of metaphors. To make a story or joke your own, you'll need to adjust both the tone and style to align with your personality. The first step in adjusting the tone and style of a story or joke is to identify your own tone and style. Think about how you naturally speak. Are you typically serious, or do you have a playful nature? Do you like to use big, descriptive words, or are you more to the point? Understanding your own speaking patterns will help you modify stories and jokes to make them feel more you. Practice this by telling a short, familiar story or joke in your own words. Notice your natural tone and style. Now that you've identified your tone and style, let's work on adapting a story or joke to match them. Pick a short story or joke that you like. Then, retell it in your own words, ensuring you maintain your natural tone and style. If you're a playful person, add a light-hearted tone. If you typically use a lot of idioms or metaphors, incorporate those into your retelling. The more you practice this, the better you'll get at automatically adjusting stories and jokes to your style. Remember, the goal is to make the story or joke feel authentic and natural to you. And there you have it. That's the secret to adding a personal touch to your storytelling in English. By identifying your own tone and style and then practicing retelling stories and jokes in a way that matches them, you can create an engaging narrative that's uniquely yours. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, learning a language isn't just about mastering grammar and vocabulary. It's also about making that language your own. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll become a master storyteller in no time. Happy learning!